Hey there, garden enthusiast. Welcome to our backyard Oasis exploration. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of do it yourself garden design. Have you ever thought about turning that unused backyard space into a vibrant and cozy haven? Well, you are in the right place. We are about to unfold the reasons why creating your own backyard garden is not just a project, it is a fulfilling adventure. Now you might be wondering, why dice? What is the buzz about crafting your own green paradise? It is all about adding the personal touch, that unique fingerprint to your outdoor spaces. Think about it. Cultivating your little green corner not only saves some bugs but also gives you a sense of accomplishments. So, if you are ready to roll up your sleeves and dig into the joy of gardening, stick around. We have got some fantastic ideas and tips coming your way. Let's embark on this green journey together. Ever wondered with why folks are getting their hand dirty in the backyard, planting seeds and tending into their green poles? Well, it is not just about having a garden, it is about making it your own. Picture this: you stroll into your backyard and see a garden that is uniquely yours, reflecting your style and preference. That is the beauty of the do it yourself approach. Plus, it is won't break the bank. You have created your beautiful garden without impeding your wallet. It is like a budget friendly tickets to your personal outdoor retreat. But hold on, there is more to it. Gardening is not just about saving a few bucks, it is about connecting with nature right in your own space. There is something magical about nurturing a tiny seed into a blooming plant. It is like having a species of the great outdoors right at your doorstep. So, if you are ready to explore the joy of dye gardening, from choosing the right plants to find budget friendly materials, you are in for a treat. Let's uncover the secret of creating your own green have haven step by step. Let's kick off this garden adventure by figuring out your backyard space. Take a stroll out there and see what is you're working with. Look at a sunny spot. The shady corners get a feel for a lay of the land. This step is like the foundation of your dye garden, understanding where the sun kisses and where the shadows linger. Now let's talk plants. What grows best in your neck in the wound? Check out what your climate vibes with. We want your garden to thrive, not just survive. No worries if you are new into this, we all start somewhere. Once you have got a handle on your space and now what plants are your buddies, it is like to think budget friendly. We are talking some simple material and tools that will not break the bank. No need for fancy budget, just the essentials to kickstart your green haven. So grab a notepad, head outdoors, and let's plan your diet garden journey step by step. Alright, let's talk about turning your backyard into a cozy haven. First up, mixing maximizing small spaces. It is like creating a mini paradise in your own backyard. Think about clever ways to use every inches, like vertical gardening or hanging planters. Small spaces does not mean less green. It just means getting a bit creative. Now choosing the right plant is key. We're through about what plant get along like good friends. Yep, this is a thing. Some plants just thrive together. We will explore the buddy system of gardening. And don't forget dye garden beds and cool containers. You don't need a fancy setup. Old crates, buckets, or even tires can be transformed into cool plants home. Let's make your garden not just green but uniquely yours. Stick around for some practical double designs hacks. Now let's talk about keeping your garden thriving all year around. You see different seasons bring different vibes to your backyard haven. No need to worry. Through we have got you back with some simple tips for each time of the year. As the sun warms up for spring, think about welcoming colorful blooms and fresh greenery. It is like a nature hitting the refresh button. Choosing plants that love the mild weather, and don't forget to tulips and daffodils for that extra pop of joy. Moving into the sizzling days of summer, focus on heat loving buddies like tomatoes and sunflowers. Water become your garden's best friend during this time. Keep it cool and hydrated. When fall rolls in, swap out the summer stars for autumn wonders. Think about warm hues and cozy vibes, pumpkins and mums. You got it. Lastly, winter, the quiet but magical season. Plain for evergreens that keep your garden from feeling too bare. Consider some winter blooming flowers to add that touch of wonder to the chilly air. So, by aligning your garden with each season's rhythm, you are not just growing plant, you are dancing with the ever changing melody of nature. Now, let's talk about spacing up your garden with some creative flair. You don't need to be an artist to add a personal touch to your outdoor haven. Consider this. Think of your garden as a canvas and you are the painter. Adding little bits of yourself is like brushstroke that make it uniquely yours. First up, let's chat about some easy peasy decor. No need to break the bank. Think about repurposing old items. That vintage ladder, it could become a charming plant stand. Got some unused monsoon jars, perfect for dyeing lanterns. The goal here is to make your garden an extension of your style without burning a hole in your pocket. So gather these old and needs and turns them into delightful garden treasures. After all, your garden should reflect your personality, right? Stay tuned for more creative and wallet friendly ideas. Alright, let's talk about keeping your garden thriving without turning it into a full time job. First off, watering, the lifeline of your plants. Now, you don't need a PhD in horticulture for this, it is more about balances. Give your plants a good drink, not a drowning. Check the soil regularly. If it is dry, about an inch deep, it is time to water. Simple, right? Oh, and morning watering is like a refreshing shower for them. They love it. So, what is the next for your garden? Share your thoughts and plans in the comment below. Remember, every garden is